Here is my first set of PVC train horns I made. Got the plans online, pretty good plans. Automatic transmission funnels. The one thing I did, a little different, these two are my first ones. Inside here, I sealed them with craft foam. You buy them at a lot of the craft stores, comes in a sheet. But this one I actually used weather stripping. Seems to seal a lot better. It's a little bit more squishier, but these ones kind of leak a little bit, where this one's pretty well airtight. So got them coming off into a little manifold I made up. Pretty decent. They sound really good. I got these tuned to the Nathan M3 or P3. So they are pretty decent horns, and I'll be trying to see if I can't set the camera down so I can go ahead and chirp them a couple times. So hold on. All right, here we go. As you can see, I got a couple of my RC planes in the background. All right. Pretty cool.